Find what you are looking for quickly and easily with Master Tour's Global Search. My name is Saders, and I'm going to show you how it works. All right, so as you can see, I am here in Master Tour, synced into a few organizations. Now, Master Tour is capable of searching through all of your synced organizations at the same time, both past and future, including days, venues, hotels, guest list requests, schedule and travel, companies and contacts, users, and attachments. To access the search field, you can either click on it directly in the top right, or use Command F on a Mac or Control F on Windows. Just type what you are looking for, and Master Tour will instantly display the results. All right, let's search for all the times my organizations have events at House of Blues. We'll go ahead and just type in blues, and here they are. You can see the different colors indicate results from different organizations, and if we toggle the past versus future on the sidebar, we can quickly filter our results accordingly. Simply click on a result, and you can go right to that item's details. Now let's search for anything with the last name Jones. We're only searching the future results here, so let's toggle that to all, and here you see several guest list entries. Let's refine this and add my name to the search to just show guest list requests that have come from me with Jones in it. We can also query by full name as well and see that Jim Jones has requested some tickets to a few of our shows. Search also includes attachments. Now, one of these organizations is doing a show at the Allen Event Center, and we've added a tech pack as an attachment on that day. By simply searching for Allen Tech, we can get right to that file. Another feature is that you can limit the search to a specific day. Now, if we want to find when soundcheck is on October 25th, we can enter 10/25 soundcheck, and there they are. Another search operator is OR. Now, if we wanted to find all of the guest list requests with either Paul or Patrick on October 16th, we can type 10/16 Paul or Patrick, and here we go. With Global Search, you have all of your Master Tour data quickly at your fingertips.